Coming up on the Best of Winthrop Close Up, we will revisit some of our top stories, starting with the gun debate.
Campus police will tell us why it is still important to look both ways when crossing.
Who doesn't want to save money? We'll drop in on a few businesses that can save you a few bucks. All this and more on the Best of Winthrop Close Up.
Welcome to the Best of Winthrop Close Up. I'm Taylor Simpson.
And I'm Morgan Lowers. There have been a number of school shootings that have people talking about the stricter gun laws.
Close Up Matt Lee looked into the intriguing proposal made by a former Supreme Court justice that has people talking.
With multiple deadly shootings happening in the past 2 years, gun reform has been a hot topic, but some believe that the Second Amendment is completely unnecessary.
I don't think that's realistic. Justice Stevens was just he's making a case, but I don't think there's any public sentiment for it. The process of amending the Constitution is very complicated.
Removal of the Second Amendment is an extreme option for gun reform that has been brought up.
There are efforts to reduce ammunition capacity, firing speed, the kinds of modifications that can make a weapon more destructive. Those are more likely to, in my opinion, those kinds of things are more likely to happen than some kind of blanket ban.
While some groups are pushing for a ban on all weapons, even restrictions worry some gun owners because of the precedent it would set.
Can do X, then they can do Y, which is a lot more intrusive, and then Z, which would be total gun confiscation.
With both political parties arguing over ways to address gun violence, removing the Second Amendment might be the most controversial way yet and the least likely to happen. This has been Matthew Lee, Winthrop Close Up.
With this being such an emotional issue, isn't it a safe bet that there will be many more debates concerning guns and gun owners? Close Up will continue to follow this story as it continues to unfold.
Winthrop has a new Council of Student Leader Presidents and Vice Presidents. Jimena Perez and Jared Garrett will run unopposed and will lead CSL for the 2018-2019 school year. Perez and Garrett, known as the XJ 2018, ran on the platform, "It is not only the Winthrop experience, it's your experience." XJ 2018 will begin to implement their platform when classes begin in the fall of 2018. We here at Winthrop Close Up wish them good luck.
As Winthrop and the surrounding Rock Hill community grows, so does the number of cars and people on our campus. Earlier in the semester, a car had turned onto Alumni Drive and hit 2 students. Thankfully, the injuries were minor, but the incident has raised concerns with campus police.
I find students looking at their devices, looking at their iPhones, checking last-minute emails between classes and things like that. I know it's hard to do, but it would be nice if you put the iPhone in your pocket while you're walking around. Be a little more cognizant or a little more aware.
Campus police will be updating their pedestrian safety guidelines on their website as a result of this incident and continue to improve pedestrian safety by installing crosswalk signs. With so many social media apps to choose from, it is easy to get lost checking your phone for messages and updates.
If you see something unsafe, please give the Winthrop Police a call at 803-323-3333 and keep your head up on the streets.
Something else to be aware of when walking on campus is the new Winthrop University logo.
As a part of the year-long rebranding process, the new logo was unveiled at the ceremony held in the DeGiorgio Campus Center. Winthrop President Dr. Daniel Mahoney stopped by the Close Up studio to talk about the rebranding initiative. The new logo is the first of many steps the university is taking to set apart from other schools. Winthrop will use the logo in its marketing and recruitment efforts for the foreseeable future. I guess it's in with the new, out with the woo.
Coming up next, we will revisit some stories that will tickle your taste buds as well as get you in shape.
And we'll go to the court, tennis court that is, and check in on the Lady Eagles. Stay with us.
Why do I feel so alone? Why do things never go my way? No one understands me. I just need someone to talk to.
Welcome back. There are times when you need something sweet. I know we're supposed to eat healthy, but every now and then, you have to feed the need.
I know that feeling all too well. My problem, like many other students, is I can't always afford to feed the sweet tooth, but I did find out one place that is willing to help students out in their time of need. Nova's Bakery is a well-known coffee shop in the Rock Hill area. Between its bakery items and famous coffee, it's always busy.
It used to be like 2 or 3 times a week that I would come here, but now it's a little bit busy at the beginning of the semester for us at BCM, so I only come like once a week.
The French Carmelo coffee and the macaroons are the most popular items here at Nova's Bakery. Speaking of that, I'm going to go try some. The 10% discount for Winthrop students and faculty has an effect on how busy the bakery truly is.
I want to say anywhere between 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. it gets pretty busy, and then once again at around like lunchtime from 1 to 2.
Nova's Bakery is right next to the Winthrop Coliseum, so don't be afraid to check it out after a game or to study for a test. So remember, the next time you go to Nova's, make sure to bring your Winthrop ID for your student discount. Every little bit helps.
If ice cream is your weakness, there's a new place you can go for a unique treat. Icy Juicy recently opened at the Commons at Winthrop Shopping Center. They are known for their rolled ice cream and also their bubble tea and a light bulb, fruit tea, fruity smoothies, and slushies. There are many toppings for customers to choose from, and additional to the 7 rolled ice cream flavors to customize your orders.
So we have shown you some baked goods and ice cream. Now we'll look at how we can work off those calories and save money as well. Gold's Gym is available to help Winthrop students get healthy and stay healthy. The gym offers traditional equipment as well as personal trainers and all that in a discount.
A student discount, that's for all students, high school and college, graduate level. This is allowing students to come in and get our monthly rate, and they're able to get it at a discount for about $5 to $10 less per month.
The student enrollment process is easy and only takes about 30 seconds. Although the enrollment is easy, you will still have to sweat it out if you want to get in shape. I play on the softball team, so I get more than enough exercise. How about you, Taylor?
Well, you know, I try to go to the West Center and play racquetball and lift some weights, so that's kind of my exercise, what I do. Coming up, we'll take a look at how a goat plus yoga can ease your mind.
After 29 years, there's going to be a change for Winthrop softball.
Il fait si froid dehors, ici c'est confortable, laissez-vous faire, milord, et prenez bien vos aises, vos peines sur mon cœur, et vos pieds sur une chaise, je vous connais.
Welcome back. Winthrop Athletics has had some amazing teams over the last years. Several of them have even won Big South championships.
That's right. The women's tennis team is trying to add another one to the list. I spent some time with them as they got ready for the conference tournament. The women's tennis team completed the ultimate feat by staying undefeated throughout conference play. They earned their 8th Big South win, beating Charleston Southern 6-1.
It was a great win, and that gave us the regular season champion. And we're going to be first seeded in the conference tournament, which is next week. So it's been a great semester. The team is doing really well. The girls have been working really hard, and they are ready.
With the conference tournament a week away, head coach Sid Carvalho has his team focused on the final 2 regular season matches.
We play Marshall on Friday, on Saturday. Right after Marshall, we play North Carolina State in Raleigh, North Carolina. So that's another very tough match, ACC opponent. So, and only after that, we'll be thinking about the tournament.
Although the coach may not be focused on the tournament, the players are excited to show off their hard work.
I am super excited. That's obviously where all of this kind of comes to play, and where we have to showcase, all of the success we've had throughout the season again. And everything's on the line at that point, so super exciting.
The women will look to three-peat as conference champions and make it back to the NCAA tournament. The women did clinch the Big South Conference Championship title with a dramatic 4-3 win over second-seeded Liberty. This is the team's 20th Big South Conference Championship with a championship victory. Winthrop earns an automatic bid to the 2018 NCAA Championship. Go Eagles!
It wasn't only the team that was successful. Lauren Proctor was named Big South Women's Tennis Player of the Year. In a unanimous vote, Proctor became just the 3rd player to win this award 3 times. Close Up caught up with Lauren, and she told us how her mom was the instrumental in her choosing the sport she loves.
Actually, my mom played tennis, and so I was very into baseball, but then she introduced me into tennis, and then I just fell in love. I love that it's an individual sport and that I get to play on my own. It's always something that I've loved to do.
Proctor has been perfecting her craft since the age of 4. Her favorite match this season was against one of the team's biggest rivals, Liberty University, which the Eagles won 4-3. In singles, Lauren is currently ranked number 32 in the nation and ranked number 29 nationally with doubles partner Megan Kaufman. Congratulations to both Lauren and the Lady Eagles on an outstanding season.
Turning to softball, Coach Mark Cook is officially retiring from the Diamond after coaching the Lady Eagles for 29 years. In the past 29 years, Coach Cook has won the Big South Tournament twice and has over 800 wins. Although softball has taken up the majority of Coach Cook's life, he has something very exciting planned for his retirement.
Well, I have 9 1965 or 1966 Mustangs that I plan on repairing and selling. And I'm also going to do coaches clinics all over the world for Little League softball.
Players on the team said that Cook was more than just a coach. He was a father figure. He helped them adjust to being away from home and family as they learned to deal with the rigors of competing as a Division athletic team. We wish Coach Cook good luck in his retirement, and we wish him the best of luck with his classic cars and softball clinics.
Let me tell you, Coach Cook was one of the best coaches I've ever had, and I wish him nothing but the best. So finally, we take a look at something we don't see every day.
If you're searching for inner peace and tranquility, this may be what you're looking for. Critter Creek Farm is the place to be for goat yoga. After seeing a video on the internet about this unique form of exercise, the owners thought they would give it a try.
I wanted to teach yoga because I wanted to introduce people that would never try yoga. I wanted to introduce them to yoga, and goat yoga is a perfect opportunity to do that because it's very low pressure, and it is a distraction, and it gets people out on their mats in a fun environment.
Participants say that this is a great way to find peace and happiness, and it is also fun to spend time with the goats. For more information on goat yoga, you can visit the Critter Creek website at www.crittercreekfarm.com. Hey Morgan, what do you think about goat yoga? To me, that's kind of weird, exercising with goats.
It is weird, but I think I would give it a try. Why not? It's a unique experience. Thanks for watching the Best of Winthrop Close Up. Please make sure to check us out on Facebook and YouTube. And from all of us here at Close Up, have a great summer and we'll see you in the fall.